Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to change the carpet cleaning mode on your X50 Ultra. To do it, click on three dots in top right corner, then select carpet cleaning settings. Now you can set it to vacuum, so it will basically only vacuum without mopping. You can set it to remove mop on carpet, or you can set it to Mop Lift, so whichever one you like. Removing mops will basically make it return to the station, remove the mops and clean the carpets. You can do clean carpets first, you can do carpet boost, intensive carpet cleaning, or side brush rotating on carpet. You can also set it to Mop Lift, so it'll just lift the mops without removing them. You can instead set it to avoid, so it'll just avoid carpets during cleaning. It'll ignore it. You can set it to ignore, so it'll ignore it and just it'll clean the carpets, all the carpets the same way as the floor. By the way, these are all the global cleaning settings for carpets. But if you have multiple carpets, you can also set the settings for them separately. Crossing carpets, which means it won't clean the carpet, it'll just cross it without cleaning and then return to cleaning. So that is basically it. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.